guys, and welcome to the vlog from me, Demon Wither. Well, today I'm going to be flying a little toy helicopter.
Yeah, it's actually mine, by the way. It's not Darren's with us, so we can just ignore it. It is mine. So, yeah. So,
We are going to be joined by
Grass Monster 111. Let's fly it.
Yeah, I'll see you guys when we've got all our stuff set up. Oh, and just for your information, for no actual reason, we are going to be using this controller.
Okay.
Because, well, yeah, you need to know that.
Yeah! Come on. We need to fly this. Go, set up.
Oh, the thing's still recording. I can't pause the video. It won't let me pause the video.
It's literally not letting him.
Oh.
Guys, I've got this switched on.
Yeah.
Oh no!
It's got
It's got a little light on it.
And you just dropped it, which is
Yeah, so
okay.
Joe, move out of the way.
Okay.
Because I am going to fly it. Guys, you won't see anything right now because, yeah, so I'm going to fly it towards...
Well, you won't see anything apart from my head.
Oh, shit!
It almost went straight into me.
Right.
Ugh.
Just a sec. We'll get it flying for the people.
Yeah.
You might just see the light. Let. You see it? Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Right, here we go. So, here we go. This is the helicopter that we will be flying today.
Cool.
So, yeah, so,
Might be quite loud.
yeah, I can do quite a few things with it, like fly around the room and things.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
But I have got enough training, and
I have not done anything.
that's why Joe's gonna get my helicopter today. So,
Oh.
Joe,
Yep.
I'm gonna hold it.
Yep.
Yeah. So here's this button.
Yep.
What you're gonna do is
which button?
that. Yeah.
Yes.
Slowly lift it up,
Yeah.
and then when it gets to about in the middle of the room,
Put it to the middle.
yeah, you're gonna literally just let go. Yeah.
Oh.
Don't! No, it can chop his finger off, and then that's the steer. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So just leave that. Just go it up, and then that's it. Yeah. So do it. Do it. Yep. A little bit less power.
How do I do less power?
Do that down. Right. Oh. Yes, it. yes, you did a little bit. Stop.
I'm trying to look at the camera at the same time. Can you
Yeah.
like make sure it's actually in the center of the room, like the center of the camera?
Shall I fly it?
No.
Okay, go. A little bit less power. In the middle.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ah!
No, get it down.
I'm bad at this.
Shall I do it?
No.
So you don't get hit.
Hit my hand.
Come on then.
Hit my hand. Okay.
Go. Oh yes, you're hovering. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I just crushed it.
These made out of aluminium.
Yes.
Hold it while I take off.
I feel like I'm not gonna do this.
Let go. Yay! Right, Joe, you're going to tell me where to go and I'm going to go there.
Go there. To your face. The camera can't see it.
Party!
Now give me it.
Thanks a lot! Thanks a lot!
I can't fly this.
Obviously you're not trusted with it because you'll just break it.
I won't.
Wait!
I wasn't ready!
That was very dramatic, wasn't it? No!
I got it.
Oh yeah, Joe.
Yeah?
Do you want to know what happens if you go like this?
What?
It springs forward to you. Like this, look. You see it? Literally. So dramatic. So, Joe,
Yes.
I'm going to fly it.
No.
And you're gonna take it in turns to
Fine.
like get one of these. So get my camera first. Right, get my camera.
Yeah.
And what you're gonna do, Mister,
Did you pause mine? Did you pause mine?
No.
Oh, I'll pause. Wait.
You just
What?
video me
Fine.
doing this, and then you do it. You'll do it in when. Yeah. You
Yeah.
ready? You'll do it when.
Yes. Yes.
I'll do it when you're doing it. Can you see this?
Oh.
Can you see this? Can you see it coming towards
Oh,
you?
whoa.
Oh!
Wait. The camera went off. Oh, there we go.
There we go. Did you go on my home screen?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's fine. Woo! One foot in the... Right, I'm engaging sport mode. Sport mode doesn't work.
Okay, can we use my? I want to use mine.
Alright, yeah, right.
Oh, what? What's going on? It just turned off camera.
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay.
Right, you do it.
Right.
Oh, am I going to fly it?
No, I'm gonna fly it.
You're going to fly it.
Yeah. Turn around.
So guys, dramatic diamond wither coming up to fly
You
this.
pause my thing.
No.
Okay.
Right. No, Joe! You gotta get it on flat. Right, go.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do I get forward?
What the? No!
How do I get forward?
Yeah, can you see this?
Yeah.
That's his throttle. Forward, backwards.
Okay. Okay.
Seriously, Joe, you're never going to be a pilot one day, are you? Go.
I am going.
Again.
Did I do it?
It's okay. Right, you.
Okay.
You.
Okay.
Put it in.
I want to video you now. I want to video you. The I don't know what to call you. The dumb one of flying this.
No, I'm the expert. I'm the right close to you.
Ah! No.
You want to see me crash it?
Ah! Okay, crush it.
There you go.
I want to do it now. You hold mine.
Do it to mine. You hold mine.
I'll hold both of them. Right, Cameron's peepsels. Peoples something. How do I turn this around?
Oh my god, you don't even know.
I know how to turn this around. Oh, the camera went off.
It was fine.
Oh, no, what? No. Okay.
It's okay.
Got it!
Right, are you recording?
Yeah!
Watch my magnificence. One brain from the other.
Oh, I can't do it with two cameras, it's too like weird.
I'll just hover then. I'm going up. I'm going up. Are you zoomed in?
No, because I can't. I've got two. I'm holding two things.
Good. I'm going up.
Oh, I can't hold it. My phone is going. Wait. Sorry, my people. No. Oh, what happened?
One brain.
What happened?
Have you got this?
Yeah, got it. Ah, I can't hold two phones at the same time.
You're doing great.
Ah, what happened to yours? Whoa.
Oh my gosh, no! Am I just in... Right.
I'll just put that down.
There. I'm just going to set mine up.
Okay. Where is
Give
it?
it to my phone now.
Why?
Because.
Yay!
Sheep.
You see me recording in the background. Hello.
No, you can't.
Hello.
Okay, I'm back. I'm alive. I'm fine. No! It's running out of charge, I think.
Can I fly it then?
No, stop. Well, it is. It's running out of charge.
Can I fly it then?
Yes. No, because you break it.
No, I want to fly it one last time.
Fine. Come on, quick! No! No!
Right, I'm gonna try once more. Ah!
Oh my gosh. What have you done?
I don't know.
What have you done?
What?
Okay, fly it. It won't do anything!
It won't go forwards. What are these buttons for? Why are you holding the camera down?
Oh.
What are these buttons for?
One's for sport, one's for going left, and one's for going right.
Okay. Let's do it again! There we go. No! Don't put it towards me.
Come on!
Ah! It just plummets!
Right, look. Right! Up!
I'm not doing it! How do I go up? You never told me how to go up! How do I go up?
Push that.
Okay.
It's run out of charge, I think. Do it again.
Yeah, it's definitely run out of charge.
Yeah. Anyway, time to do the outro.
Right, so guys, that will be the end of this video. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, thumbs up. I don't know what we're doing right now.
Okay.
Yeah, please leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. Let me
And subscribe.
Sorry. Please leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I'll see you guys all later. Goodbye.